Kimber Micro 9. Micro 9 ESV. Drop the mag. Mag away. Pull the slide back. Make sure it's clear. Make sure the chamber's clear as well. It's clear. Now we're going to take it down for a field strip. It's fairly easy. This is a slide lock or slide catch. That's the other side of it. When we disassemble it, we're going to push on that. We're going to push on that from that side when we're ready to take it apart. This is how I do it. There's probably better ways to do it, but this is how I do it. Ooh, I'll let the slide go forward. Okay. Then I pull it back to where this round notch right here, not the rectangle notch. That's where the slide catches. This is the disassembled notch. This notch here, you want to get it right over the top of the slide, right, the slide latch right there. And the best way to do that is to overhand grip it like this and use your thumb back here for leverage. So you just pull it back like this. If you need both hands to do it, just get it like that and line that up. You'll see a mark. You'll see the mark here and here on the slide and on the body. When it's lined up like that, just like I said, push that button we talked about earlier. Just push it a little bit like that, the other side, and then pinch it here. The camera's in the way. Just pinch it here and pull it straight out like that. Pull it all the way out like that and set it down and let that go nice and easy. And then you can just push it forward a finger or two and let it slide right off. And we'll set that here for a second. And this here, this is how you get the barrel out. Just push this forward a little bit, a finger or two. Don't let it go because it'll go flying. And just kick it up a little bit. See how I lifted it up a little bit? Just kick it up a little bit like that, and it'll pop out. And then let it go slowly so it doesn't go doing across the room. Set this down, you can take it apart, pull the barrel up, and then pull it backwards, and it'll come right out. And you can get all your brushes and clean all this. And this is a new gun, so I'm just going to wipe it off a little bit. And just wipe off some of the goo. I really like this pistol. It's a really pretty little pistol. Nice grips. Nice and grippy right there. Nice and grippy right there. Good fit. Good fit with the mag, with a little mag extension on there. It's just enough to get a good bite on it. I haven't shot this one, but I've shot other Micro 9s, and it's a nice little pistol. Nice trigger. And Kimber makes a nice products. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of oil here and there, if it comes out. A couple in the slide. Where I know the barrel will wear a little bit. There, lug to drop across there. Put that away. Smear it in. Maybe another little drop or two out here. Smear it in nice and even. To reassemble your barrel, just tip it at a slight angle, stick it back in there like that, push it forward, and slide it back approximately there. This spring, just kind of take it easy when you put it in. The little notch here goes towards the barrel. So grab the spring, put it in this little guide here, and just kind of squish it, scrunch it up a little bit at a time until the pin goes. Trying to get it where you can see till the pin goes in here, and just squinch it. Doesn't have to be perfectly flat or anything, but just get it to where it looks like that. Okay. You're good to go. We can wipe off all the excess oil afterwards. I know what everyone's thinking. What a nice watch. Yes. So, to reassemble, this is how I do it. Like I said, there's probably other ways to do it. There might be an easier way to do it. This is how I do it. So I'll just grab this, put it on, little guides there. I just kind of push my finger there. Oh, some guns are looser than others. This gun's nice and tight. just push it like that. What you want to do is once you get it on there, halfway on there like that, is this little thing right here. You need to push this down, like way down like that, because it needs to clear. If you can see down in there, I don't know. It needs to clear underneath the slide. So when you disassemble it, when it's beyond the little slide catch there, just get it close like that. I push it way down like this with my thumb. I push that forward and push it way down. And then I just try to slide that back like that till it goes over. See? Now you can see where the barrel lug is right there. And what I do is I put it straight like this. I just put it in a little bit, and I just kind of wiggle this back and forth a little bit until it goes in most of the way, not all of the way. You know, this is like this and my other Kimber. This is my daughter's Kimber, but this and my other Kimber, I mean, I like them and I don't want to jack them up and scratch them up. So what I do is I just get it in there loose like this. So it's right about there, and then it's just like when we took it apart, when we disassembled it. You want to move the round notch, not the rectangle notch, the round notch right above that slot, and just try to get it as centered as you can, just like that. Try to get my shadow off of there. Okay. And use your thumb here and these 3 fingers for leverage, because you'll probably need them. And don't drag that across there, because you'll make the idiot scratch, and you don't want to do that. And just kind of line that up, and it'll fall in most of the way like that, and then push it till it clicks. And you can hear that click, and then just let it go. Nice and easy. Okay, now you can check it. Okay, make sure the safety works first. No click, so it worked. Turn the safety off, make sure it goes click. I usually do it a few times. I'll rack it a few times. I'm trying to reach over the camera. Put the oil in, and I'll dry fire it a couple times. At an odd angle reaching over the camera, and that's how you disassemble to filled strip and reassemble, and you can clean it. I would have drug a bore snake through it, or put some swabs with a rod through it or something if it wasn't brand new, but it's brand new. So if it's not new, do that, and then when you're done, put the magazine in it. And like I said, it's a pretty little gun. It's a very nice little gun.